All right, the Dow's sinking as we get towards the closing bell. Let's bring in Yahoo Finance's Jared Blikre to break down the market action. Welcome back from vacation, sir.
Appreciate that. And let's talk about the Dow because we were about to snap a 4-day winning streak right here. You can see the Dow's off more than 1% at session lows. We're just taking a look at that right now. Nasdaq still holding on to some green. That would be the 7th. I believe it's the 7th straight day of gains. Of course, I wasn't here for most of those. Now, here's the sector action for today. Tech in the forefront, materials in the backseat, along with communication services. But I want to focus on crypto here. So just give me a few minutes for that. Here is Bitcoin. Looks like it's doing a whole lot of nothing. But guess what? It has climbed to over 21,000. That is a price we haven't seen in about 4 months. Let me just show you a 10-year chart. Now, here is the previous high, and it's hard to see here because it spiked up on an intraday, maybe intra-week basis here. But in late 2017, we had that 20,000 high. That's why it is so important to stay above 20,000 right now. Let's take a look at some of the crypto stocks that are bumping today. And one of the ones that caught my attention is Silvergate. Now, it's only up about 64 basis points. Check out the performance over the last year. Now, it, along with many other firms, suffered tremendously with the fallout from FTX. It just reported earnings this morning, and in the fourth quarter, it lost about half of its assets. You can see over the last year, down about 90%. So it hasn't been favorable to Silvergate. Is the worst over? We don't know yet, but here are some of the other crypto stocks that are bumping today. BT, that's up 17%. That's Bit Digital. That's another one that's been hammered here. Nice to see some of these markets coming back. And let me just show you what's been happening with our leaders this year. Now, this is focuses on leaders and sentiment. Bito is a crypto ETF. That's a Bitcoin ETF. That's up 30%. Then we got ARK, meme stocks, Chinese stocks, solar, all of those outperforming. So that creates an interesting situation where we got some fringe markets absorbing capital. Let me just go back to an intraday view, and we can see that a lot of these meme stocks are jumping today. GameStop up, 6%, CoinDesk up 8%. So is this the new norm? Are we going to go up in 2023? I'm going to send it back to you guys.